Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to the live stream. Can you guys hear me? Do you hear me, guys? Anybody here? Just a quick feedback will be required. Okay. So this is Copy Webinars, and you're watching your favorite channel and your favorite show. Well, this is Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 7th of April. The trading is weak in today's market. This is end of the day also, end of the week also, and I'm Copy's trader community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not. So whatever I say is my own opinion. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. That is one thing that I wanted to clear. Second thing, we will not be doing any fundamental analysis here. We will only be looking at the chart. If something pops up like some trading idea, we'll use it, and we'll plan our trades only around the key levels that we have marked on our charts. So we will try to find out the key levels for all the pairs also. Now, at the end of the session, I will be answering the questions from the viewer. So please ask your questions in the live chat. It is open for anybody. You are encouraged to ask more and more questions. And lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purposes. Please do your own research before you put your money on the line. And let me take you through the risk disclaimer. Then we check the charts quickly. See guys, since the foreign currencies or foreign exchange trading is done on the margin, mostly it is very risky. Okay, please know the risk involved, especially when it is margin. A huge risk is involved in this if you don't take a trade responsibly. All right, we are all set to go. So this is the first chart on your screens now. Well, what is it? Does it look like, yeah, this is dollar index 4-hourly chart? Okay. It is funny because this is the range of today's market is very low, but still it is able to manage and go beyond the 4-hourly intermediary high that the price had made. So yes, 101.93 is what we were expecting to break, and today it was broken. Okay, but yes, the price has come back. No, and I think market is also not open. You see, market is also closed. So there was very less trading of the dollar today, dollar index especially. One is because of this Good Friday, second is this is last day of the week. So I think I will just quickly share the levels with you because there is nothing much happening on the currency pairs, but something is happening on the cryptocurrencies that we will think. Okay, so since there is nothing going to happen today, so the next levels that you have to keep your eye on Monday is 101.53 and 101.93. That's it. Rising channel is possible here. In the euro, trading is happening, but it is very less volumes. So very less volumes. I'll say, why to open any trade today if there is no volumes? What do you say, guys? But still, I will say that euro was able to manage to make a low around 1.0882 where it found some support. And in this also, this channel on Monday may provide some support because this is a confluence of support on Monday. See here, 10th of April, you will have the price here somewhere, and this is the area of interest for the buyers. So expect a lot of buying in this region on Monday. Okay, on the high side, 1.0973 may provide resistance to the price if it goes higher. Anything lower than 1.0882 or even now 1.0876 will open the way for 1.0788 area. Okay, Pound is slowly decreasing in value. This was the area where I was looking for the support here on the daily chart, but the price has been able to manage come lower than that today. Well, the trading volumes are thin, but still the price has come down. Now I think we need to revisit our channel like this. Okay, maybe this channel will provide support to the price on Monday, but as of now this channel has a level of around 1.2375 on Monday. On the higher side we have resistance at around 1.2447 area, and also this falling channel resistance area will be on Monday around 1.2475 area. Okay, Australian dollar. Somebody is trying to sell this pair. uh, See, the price action or the pricing is suggesting that somebody is trying to sell this market, but on the lower prices somebody is also trying to buy this market. So 0.6650 area is providing support, and after this we can see 0.6624 acting as a good support. But you see the point here, all the thing here is that before making this high the price had made this low, and that low has been shaken at least on the 4-hour time frame, and now we are expecting a lower high to be formed and a lower low to be formed. So that means this will be counted as broken. This rising channel will be counted as broken channel if we see a close below this rising channel, which is most probably going to happen today if the price fails to give a closing higher than 0.66788 area. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So in that case we'll be looking for lower prices which can even extend towards 0.6563. New Zealand dollar, we were bullish in this one, but yesterday's price action and even today's price action is suggesting that the price is going lower. Although last 4-hourly candle has found support on the rising channel, but it was still red in color, and the following candle is also red in color. It has 20 minutes to go, but still from the price action and from the RSI it looks like the price is headed south. And if it starts going south and gives us a closing on the daily, just like Australian dollar, if it gives us a closing below this rising channel, I think we will be prepared to see 0.5995. Before that, this low may provide some support to the price. Now this low is sitting around 0.6083 area. All right, on the higher side we have resistance now at around, okay, this one 0.6380 area, and also this rising trend line may provide resistance to the price. Also this rising channel may provide resistance to the price around 0.6380 area, and also this dynamic resistance here. So all in all, if you see carefully, the price is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, the price action is still the market structure is still intact because this low has not been taken out. If you see carefully that this low was 0.6207 and the market has made a low of 0.6208, so that means this low has been protected and there is high probability that price goes up from here. I'm just suggesting, okay, I'm not saying that price will definitely go up, but I'm just suggesting that this low was saved, so there is a probability that the price will go up. Okay, just saying. USD JPY trying to take support at the lower levels, has broken out of this falling 4-hourly channel. Like I told you in the previous this thing also, that when this channel breaks to the upside you should become buyers. The channel broke here like 12 hours ago, then on the 4-hour there was a bullish engulfing, so we can expect now 133.75 to be tested in this market. Also you see that this high may be providing some resistance on the way up, so this one 133.16, so 133.16 immediate resistance, thereafter 133.75 on the lower areas we have 130.61 as the horizontal support, and this rising support, which is dynamic in nature, may provide some support to the price if price comes from the top to the bottom here. All right, coming to the USD CAD, 1.3515 area is the resistance. Okay, yesterday we were talking about this, day before yesterday we were talking about this, in fact all week we were talking about this, and we were expecting this to act as a resistance, and this has already reached here. We have seen a bearish pin bar on 1 hour, we have seen bearish pin bar on the 4-hour. We just need a follow up to the downside, guys. Once this channel breaks to the downside, I think we can look for 1.3261, but till the time this channel is holding, we should not be looking for any selling opportunity, because there is possibility that the price can extend towards 1.3699 also from here. Okay, USD CHF, good sell off. Thereafter, this was posing as a resistance. Again, a push to the upside, 0.9070, again acting as a resistance. So yes, there is a lot of resistance on the upside, whereas on downside is open. So expect this dynamic support of channel to be tested first before any leg lower or up. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting in this one. High side 0.9070 is the resistance. On the lower side, this is the support, and horizontal support I have not marked. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let me check. In fact, in USD CHF we have a lot of things marked, so I will just remove everything so that we have a clear picture of what is happening. So what we can expect after this low here, we can expect these lows to be tested, thereafter these lows. I'm remember that this is the weekly chart, and so I'm trying to figure out what may be the most important levels after this one is taken out, if after the current one is taken out. Okay, so yes, 0.8926 and 0.8757 are the two areas of importance below 0.9070, and I'm expecting the price to now drop to those levels very quickly, because finally this breakdown has happened. And well, this looks like a head and shoulder breakdown to me. So if I consider this as a shoulder, this as the head, and this as the second shoulder, then this is a breakdown, and this is a retest of that head and shoulder. Let us see how the things unfold, but as of now it looks like bears are in control of the market, guys. Silver, finally silver taking off. No, silver is not being traded today, I think. Yeah, silver market is closed. USD CHF is being traded, silver market is closed, because yesterday it is where we were. We are expecting a buying here, stop loss here, take profit at 26.21. So no trading, but still we are bullish on the silver with the targets of 26.21. Let's go to the next, that is gold. In the gold, there is no trading, but still yes, the price has come below the 2009 level. It is trading at 2006. So if it starts going down in this channel, expect this symmetrical triangle to act as a support somewhere here around 1985 area. So guys, keep an eye. Tomorrow this can drop here, I mean on Monday this can drop here, and then boom towards 2070. Okay, keep a sharp eye on gold. Brent is also not being traded. We are bullish on the Brent. Okay, so there are multiple reasons to be bullish on the Brent. One is this volume. Okay, here at the higher prices there was very high volume at the support of 84.27. one thing. Second, we know, I have heard this news that now OPEC is, or sorry, Saudi Arabia is cutting the oil supplies. The cutting of oil supplies means higher prices, one thing, in the international market. Second, the Russians are selling cheap oils to Saudi Arabia, and all these news they make up the higher prices for the Western world. So that means these prices may stay above 84.27 for some time. This is what my point is here. Okay, I don't see the prices coming down because of any reason, because cutting of oil supplies is only going so this is simple concept. Okay, this is simple supply and demand. If there is no supply and the demand being constant, because yes, there is a demand for oil, so the price will rise. So 86.91 is what you should be expecting next, guys. On 84.27 should be the support. USD ZAR, we are bullish on this one, but nothing is happening today, maybe because the market is closed, but still no, market is not closed. It is being traded, but nothing, no movement. You can see that from the last 24 hours, or so, there is nothing. So yes, stay away from this market at least today, but look at the daily and weekly and you will have an idea of what is happening here. okay, 18.3199 immediate resistance, and later on if we are able to not 18, so here 18.3494 is the resistance. If we are breaking this resistance, then this high must be the first target, which is 18.6105. okay, on the lower side we have support around 18.0385, but I think we should change it to the low of yesterday's candle, like this, okay, 18.0552. that makes a lot of sense to us, because on the 4 hour you will see that this is a pivot. This must be a pivot, okay, not on 4 hour, on 1 hour, yeah, on 1 hour this is a pivot, or you can say swing low, right? So that's all guys on the USD-ZAR. Bitcoin, this is where something is happening actually. It looks like on the one day that the price is trying to break below this rising triangle, but also notice that this low was slightly lower, so I'm bound to bring this channel like this, okay, like this, like this. So yes, still the price has to clear from this rising trend line. If I just take this line, so let us see how the things unfold. But you see suddenly the volumes are rising here, or I can say at the lower prices somebody is trying to buy. I'll just dissect the price action here. You see in this green candle there is a lot of volume, okay, and as the price started going down, the volume started increasing. So yes, at the lower prices more and more guys are interested to take this, and I think maybe today or tomorrow we can see 29,139. Just a speculation, okay guys. Euro JPY, well, trading is good, bullish engulfing, and thereafter some buying here and there. 145.43 on the upside is the resistance, 142.54 is the support on the lower side. Nothing much building up, still this range. Let us see how the things unfold on Monday. Till then, no trading. Euro GBP, euro is trying to, I think, go beyond 10 periods moving average now. If it gives a close higher than this, we'll draw a channel and look for higher prices in this one, okay, but no, this will be too much. I think tracking the pairs on the daily chart is, I think, and on the horizontal levels is better than tracking them on the slant lines or channels, okay. So yes, you can make sometimes counter trend lines and counter channel lines, but still horizontal levels are the best to take trades from. Like this is going counter trend, so you can make a channel by joining this. As soon as you think, okay, so this is an area of importance, now you know that on Monday or maybe Tuesday you have to check this. So this is particularly on 18th of April, so next week I'll be looking for 0.8828 to be tested so that I can take a trade from there, okay. So that's it about Euro GBP. US 500, well, I became bullish on this one. How to tell you why I became bullish? Well, I was looking for a buying opportunity. 4078 was the resistance. There on the 4 hour price made a bullish engulfing. I kept my stop order above that. It got triggered. Now it is going up. 4141 is what I'm expecting here, and I have a stop loss below 4068, okay. And this trade makes very good sense to me. It has all the ingredients that is required to open a trade. So yeah guys, my trading idea only explains what I'm thinking about this pair, okay. 4195 is actually what I'm expecting in this market, but 4141 is the minimum that I am expecting, and I will always tend to take the lowest hanging fruit first, and thereafter if there is any steam left, I will look for a buying opportunity again. So euro against Australian dollar, well, it is trading good. 1.6313 is acting as a support. It was the previous resistance, now is acting as a support. 1.64358 is the price that we are looking for the next target. Okay, so support, 1.6313, and the resistance is 1.6435. That's it for the euro audi. Ethereum, well, I did not expect this to happen in Ethereum, because I was looking for a buying opportunity close to 1885, and I was expecting 1885 to hold as a support, but that is not happening here. It looks like the price is trading in this channel, and the channel is not able to provide any support but only resistance, and 1855 or 1852 area is also not acting as a support. So if that is a problem, then that's a problem. So these highs are the, I think, last which I can expect as a support. If there's no support from these highs even, then I think the price will drop to 1761, which is not a good idea, I think, for the Ethereum. One more thing which you can expect from Ethereum right now is, if you create a channel, create a rising channel by joining these highs here, you will see that it doesn't make any sense, because the price has already traded down and then up from here. But if you leave this area and you make a channel from starting from this low here, and then you make this as your fresh channel, then it starts making some sense. I will explain you how. You remove this here now. Okay, this one is current, so I cannot remove this one. So okay, so if you keep these lows intact, then you will realize, okay, here we have some rising channel, and this can provide support to the price if the price comes here. Okay, I don't know why my price is not updating, but here we have a red candle. Okay, let me see on the one for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the red candle that I was talking about. So I was saying that this channel may be our last hope of Ethereum getting support. If it does not get support even at this channel's support area, then I think Ethereum will drop to 1761. All right, guys, that's all about Ethereum. CAD JPY is finding good support at 97.11. We are expecting it to go to 99.17. We have talked about it yesterday. There's nothing much other than this. Yes, broken support resistance of this falling channel again, and it is finding support there. 99.717 is the resistance, 97.11 is the support. That's all about CAD JPY. USA Tech, yes, it has taken support at 12842. How precise it was. Now if 13224 is taken out, the next target is 13723. Guys, nothing much, because the markets are closed, so there's no point in talking much about it. But keep an eye on these two levels, like 12842 as support, 13224 as resistance, and beyond this 13723 will be exposed if we trade beyond 13224. That's all, guys, for this Friday, and I think I should wish you all a happy weekend. See you guys on Monday, that is 10th of April 2023. I know that there's no one going to ask questions, so I'll just end this webinar by just mentioning that I hope you know now what are the areas of support and resistance in the future. My humble suggestion to you is that please keep an eye on all the key levels, and do not risk more than 1% of your full capital on any one trade. Please do not do that. Every day you will get opportunities, every day you will get reasons to buy and sell. Please do not risk everything on one single trade. Like, do not wish for a jackpot. Okay, make 3% at a time, take 1% risk at a time, and you will be more than happy in the longer run, because you will be profitable. It will increase your confidence, it will increase your asset management techniques. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are new here. Have a good time. Thanks for watching. See you on Monday, 10th of April 2023. Bye.